To buy an S&P 500 ETF on Robinhood, you first need to understand what an ETF is and what the S&P 500 represents. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment that allows you to buy a small piece of a large portfolio of stocks or bonds. The S&P 500, on the other hand, is an index that tracks the performance of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. To get started, you need to open a Robinhood account if you haven't already. Download the Robinhood app, fill out the registration form with your personal and financial information, and wait for your account to be approved. Once your account is approved, you need to fund it by linking your bank account and transferring money into your Robinhood account. Next, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the ticker symbol for the S&P 500 ETF you want to buy, such as VU or SPY. These are two of the most popular S&P 500 ETFs, with VU being offered by Vanguard and SPY being offered by State Street. Click on the ETF you want to buy and you will be taken to its detail page, where you can find information about its performance, holdings, and fees. On the detail page, click on the Buy button and enter the amount of money you want to invest. You can choose to buy a specific dollar amount or a specific number of shares. Keep in mind that Robinhood does not charge any commission fees for buying or selling ETFs, but you may be subject to a small management fee charged by the ETF provider. Once you have entered the amount you want to invest, click on the Review button to review your order. Make sure everything is correct, including the ETF you are buying and the amount you are investing. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm button to place your order. Your order will be executed immediately and you will become the proud owner of an S&P 500 ETF. You can monitor the performance of your investment by clicking on the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can see the current value of your investment, as well as its performance over time. It's also important to keep in mind some best practices when buying an S&P 500 ETF on Robinhood. First, make sure you have a long-term perspective and are not trying to time the market. The S&P 500 has historically provided strong returns over the long term, but it can be volatile in the short term. Second, consider setting up a regular investment schedule to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. This can help you smooth out market fluctuations and avoid trying to time the market. Finally, remember to always do your own research and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance before investing in an S&P 500 ETF or any other investment. With Robinhood, buying an S&P 500 ETF is a simple and straightforward process that can help you get started with investing in the stock market.